Hi guys, welcome back to another episode with King EP, turning $1,000 to $1 million. The first week we were actually able to raise $1,000 to $11,000, and I pulled out $5,000 for a particular investment, which I said is going to be anonymous for now to the future. The second thing was that we had a drop from the $8,000 that will take our account to $6,000. So we had a drop to 3.5, and I explained why we had a drop, and also I explained our account on the prop firm, and I showed you guys where we are on the prop firm. This is the third week, and I'm going to be explaining what I am doing and what we'll be investing our money into. Okay, so basically there are many things to invest your money into. One of the things you can invest your money into is the forex market, and that thing that you can invest your money into is the crypto market. Crypto market is diversified into different aspects. You can actually invest your money by buying a particular coin and holding it for a long period of time. That's a form of investment, but I can only do that if I have gotten to a particular threshold like 20,000, 25,000, 50,000, then you can start investing in crypto. Okay, and third thing to invest your money into is physical businesses. Okay, fourth thing you can invest your money into YouTube sales or something. Many things I said I'm going to invest money into, but for now we're trying to build in capital so that we can be able to diversify our capital into different aspects. All these things I'm doing now is something I did in 2024, and I actually saw a very huge amount of money, and that's why I said it's possible for me to actually do it and repeat the process and show you guys that it's very, very possible. As at last week to this week, we had a lot of we had very, very bad reports, but our account dropped to $215. As if this was not enough, we blew our prop firm that was on the live stage. Remember, on the first day I invested $560 on the prop firm. The prop firm, we passed phase 1, which was for us to be able to make 10%, is $10,000. We passed phase 2, which was for us to make $5,000. We passed it, but unfortunately on the third time, when we got to as high as 7% even in profit, if I had known, I could have just left it, but I took in a trade, and then we went to minus 4%, and to recover I reached 3% each, and the account was gone. Well, I was not really bad. Remember, I said the account here on Trust Wallet is 215. Doesn't mean that the account is actually very, very low, because I funded $300 this morning from the account, and I was able to trade 2 times, and the account is currently on $3,465 on my broker. Now if you look at it up here, you can see $3,465, and this is from the $1,000. okay, majority of the time I like withdrawing all my money, but now I said, since we have invested this amount of money into this already, let's just keep trading it small and not withdraw it. You can see this is the account. I have to withdraw all the major amount of money that was inside this particular account. I have to withdraw it and leave it at $300, and I took the $300 to $180. Let me show you the trade I took this morning. I posted the drop on my profile, on my Telegram channel. This was the trade. As you can see, it went very, very down, and this was the account this morning. We were able to take this account to 1,800, and this is the $1,800 that you're seeing on the screen. Now, unfortunately, our prop firm was down, and that's why we made some losses. Our prop firm now has gone. I don't know if I should buy another prop firm. I should withdraw all the $3,000 here, or I should just keep trading it till we get to 10k, and when we get to 10k, then I withdraw maybe 5k and we diversify or something. But for now, I'm just going to be leaving this account like this, and I'm going to be trading it small. The 3,465 is not all of them I put inside the account. As you can see, it's just 1,830 that is here. The rest are set aside inside the same broker. I use XNest, so if you're not using XNest, click on the link in my description, use XNest, and let me talk about XNest. So XNest is a very good broker that I've been using for a while, and not for a while, I've been using them for over a year plus now. They have quick deposits, quick withdrawal, fast transactions, and the likes. Of recent too, apart from the fact that I'm using XNest, I'm also using a new broker too that I'm testing. It's called Access Market. Access Market 2 is actually having the same qualities as which Extens is having. So if you are somebody that is looking up to getting a broker that is good, fast, reliable, low commission, and can give you deposits 50%. The only difference between Extens and this Access is that Extens doesn't give extra deposits bonus, but this one, Access Market, can give you deposit bonus. So the link is actually below my description. You can use any of them, and I'll see you grow. So guys, this is the update. My photo index is gone. I feel bad, I feel sad, but there's nothing you can do. Instead, we have to look forward. So the next step, when we get to 10K now, I have to draft in a plan for us. When we get to 10K from this particular stage, we're currently on 3465 plus 200, that is 3665. So what we're going to be doing now is when we get to 10,000, I'll buy another prop firm. This time I'll buy a 200K prop firm, and I know that I'll withdraw from the prop firm. Okay, so that's it, guys. I love you all, and see you on the next one. I'll be showing my activities of whether I was going to the gym. Congratulations are also in order. Like I said, this is not actually, anytime I want to do video, I make sure that I withdraw all my money from here. Okay, so but this is not, so that for this video purpose, that's why I have to keep it transparent and put in the exact amount of the money I'm trading on the $1,000 account. But for the major stuffs I do, congratulations are in order very soon, and you guys will get. So see you guys on the next one. Peace out.